Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick review of the Oral-B Pro Series 3 electric toothbrush. So this is the box it comes in. It's a cardboard box, so easy to recycle. Inside the box you find your electric toothbrush and then your charger. So it comes with its own cable. So this is the kind of head that comes with the charger. It's suitable for bathroom sockets. And then this is the charging station. So you just pop the toothbrush on top like that. It has 4 little circles on the bottom to help with grip, and the cable is nice and thick and strong. The cable itself is pretty long, so it stretches almost from my hand to my shoulder here. Then the toothbrush itself looks like this. You will just add your toothbrush head on the top there, but it's a really nice slick design. It has like good grip on where you press the button here, so it's not too slippery. And then it has kind of a corrugated back to add for extra grip there. And then it slots in nicely into the charging station like this. Also in the box you find a toothbrush head. This is a pretty standard toothbrush head and it comes with a little band to secure it in place. Place the band on first and then you just push it into place like this, so it's nice and secure. It actually comes charged, so I'm going to give you a demonstration of the different modes. So if you press the button here, you get this one. Then the second mode. And then the third time. And the fourth time it switches it off. So overall, I love the design. I love that it comes with a toothbrush head. It comes with its own charger. It's really easy to set up, and I particularly like that it comes charged as well, so you can use it straight away. Overall, really happy with this electric toothbrush and I would definitely recommend it.